बट पहली बार ऐसा हुआ है कि एक रेड लिपस्टिक, लाइट रेड लिपस्टिक मुझे पसंद आया है।
मैं क्या करूं फिर, जॉब छोड़ दूं? ये फालतू बातें क्यों बता रहे हो मुझे?
Hey everyone, my name is Nisha Shetty and welcome to my YouTube channel. I just realized this is my first ever beauty video. First of all, disclaimer. I am no beauty guru. From the past few years, I've been doing my own makeup for my anchoring events and of course, idhar-udhar jaane ke time during shoots. Hence, I'm going to share with you my learnings and जो मैंने experience किया है while doing my own makeup. And for my first beauty/makeup video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite makeup products and that's lipsticks. I personally believe one lipstick can quickly accentuate your entire look. मतलब तुम्हारा mood ऐसे बदल सकता है एक perfect lipstick shade. Like you can be but after putting the right lipstick, you can be
कुछ भी
So sometime back I did a campaign for Sugar and I received a voucher from them and I got a chance to pick and choose from the various amazing products they have on their website. And with respect to my history with Sugar, once they had sent me around 4 to 5 of their products and believe me, I absolutely love every single one of them. Most importantly, this is not a sponsored video. Yes, I received a voucher. I picked this product from their website, but I am doing this video because I really love their products and sometime back I uploaded a video of the products that Sugar sent me and after seeing that video I started receiving a lot of queries about Sugar products and yes, by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, do it right away, please. In that video, I showed only one lipstick and then everybody loved that shade and then started asking me about the rest of the lipsticks जिसके बारे में मुझे कुछ idea नहीं था. Hence this video, my friends. And of course, by the title and the long introduction that I just gave, you've already figured out what is that makeup product that I picked from their website, and it is the Sugar Minis.
The last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while.
So there are 3 reasons that I picked up these lipstick minis. Number 1, they're so cute. I mean, look at them, yeah. They're so tiny and cute. Because they're so tiny and cute, you can easily slip them in your purse. They're extremely travel friendly compared to our normal lipsticks, of course. The second reason, I have noticed that most of our makeup products get expired क्योंकि हम उसे पूरा use ही नहीं कर पाते. And this happens majorly with lipsticks. Let's admit it, we all have tons and tons of lipsticks with us and we never finish them. Yes, of course we have that one go-to lipstick जो हम हमेशा लगाते हैं, वो खत्म हो जाता है, but बाकी के सारे lipsticks waste हो जाते हैं. That's when these minis come in handy. You don't end up wasting them because any which way the quantity is less, लगाओ and then you can move on to another shades, explore the other shades as well. And a third reason, so I do a lot of research, I see a lot of swatches on all different YouTube videos and I order that perfect lipstick shade, but जब वो मेरे पास आता है वो कुछ अलग ही दिखता है.
Perfect. And that is the finished look.
It happens, of course it happens. But then I regret buying an expensive lipstick. That's when such minis come in handy. You buy them, they're cheap, they're small. If you really like any shade, you can simply buy the bigger version of it. Ta-da! बहुत बातें कर ली. Now let's quickly move on to the swatches.
Let's do that. Let's do it right now.
The first one is the one that I'm wearing right now. Tan Fan. It's in the shade number 3. I am already in love with this lip shade. I think it's perfect and let me tell you one thing about Sugar products. I love their pigmentation and they give you a beautiful color payoff. You can see it right away. This is just one swipe by the way. And now, just like any other beauty blogger, let me show you some up close and personal shots of my beautiful lips. And yes, excuse my yellow tooth. Sorry.
I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah.
The second lipstick that I picked is Lustrous. It's in the shade number 5. And this is the first red lipstick with orange undertones that I have personally liked. I'm not a fan of red lipsticks with orange undertones. I don't know why. So if you're someone like me, you have to try this one. This will change your opinion about red lipsticks with orange undertones.
We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna left in my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count.
And now it is time for my favorite lipstick from this set. Brazen Raisin. In the shade number 1, and this has to be my number 1 from this set. My favorite lip shade is red with purple undertones, and this is the perfect blood red that you can find in the market. So if you're someone like me, just buy the Brazen Raisin. This has become my absolute new favorite.
I love it how your touch feels. I love it how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
And now it is time for the last lipstick in this set. Very Mulberry in the shade 25. This is the perfect end to this swatch episode because look at this color, man. I'm loving this dark, bold, sexy purple shade, and I think this is just the perfect addition to your lipstick collection.
You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me. 'Cause
So those were my swatches. Let me quickly tell you my 3 top reasons why I'm in love with the Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid lipsticks. Number 1, they stand true to their name. They do not smudge at all. Reason number 2, like I mentioned before, I love the color payoff of Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid lipstick range. In fact, all their lipsticks. And because the color payoff is so good and it is matte, needless to say, it is very long lasting. And number 3, I love its packaging. It's tiny, it's comfortable. Like I told you, it's easy to carry, and I love its wand as well. It really helps in getting that perfect precision while you apply those dark lipsticks. And now let me give you a bonus reason, which according to me is the best reason why you should buy this mini set. This set costs you only 799 rupees. That's it, my friends. 800 रुपए में 4 बेहतरीन लिपस्टिक्स, मतलब और क्या ही चाहिए जिंदगी में. I'm going to put the link of their website in the description box below, and I have checked. As of today, you can pick and choose from 15 different lip shades and make your own set of 4. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching it till the end. If you like the video, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also click on the bell icon so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. This is Nisha Shetty signing off from this video. Once again, thank you so much for watching it, and keep smiling.